So, quick update. I know it's dark in here. My light is actually on, but you can barely see anything. I did do my cardio today. I was really disappointed in myself because I figured out today I couldn't do a pull-up. I already know I couldn't do it, but I tried. But I couldn't even hold it for a good 3 seconds. I probably held it for 2 seconds, and then I was like, okay. So now that's more motivation for me to even get healthier because I'm like, I literally cannot hold my own weight. And when you get to that realization, it's not pretty. So as far as my medications go, I've been staying updated on them, pretty much taking all of them like I should for the past 5 days. So that's pretty good. And this is probably TMI, but as far as my iron pills go, I didn't mention that one, but I'm anemic, so I do take iron pills too. And the birth control I'm on, which is Nexplanon, it makes you get crazy periods at the very last of it. Because the last 3 years it's been in for 2.5 years so far. And it's almost time to I have 4 more months on it, so now I'm starting to have, well, I've been starting to have periods within the last year. Now that I'm faithfully taking the iron pills, it's like I forget to take them for about a couple months, and then as soon as I take them, literally on the third day, I'm back on my period. So I'm kind of touch and go with the iron pills, but I'm just going to stick to it, and hopefully it just goes away. But I am going to get this birth control again because not having a period for 2 years in the beginning was lovely. And if I just got to deal with periods for the last year of it and not be pregnant, that's perfect. Because 3 kids, it's a lot. So I'm rambling now, so I got to be back at work in a couple hours. It's nighty night time.